Hey, this is Michael with Power Wash Plus. We're out on a deck job today. When we got here, this thing was basically black, and it was actually not that old of a deck, but it was underneath of a tree that has since actually died. I think it was an old maple tree. And it's covered with a pine tree, longleaf pine it looks like. So obviously those things are affecting what's happening here. And I just want to show you real quick. I'm going to turn the camera around. But we've cleaned the organics off, and now we're doing a brightener. And you'll see with the brightener, what it basically does is it changes the pH to an acidic place, which is what wood actually wants to be. It opens up those grains so that whenever we come back, either tomorrow, depending on when it's dry, or the following day, whatever we do. And we always check with a moisture meter to make sure that the wood is actually ready for a stain. We like to use oil-based semi-transparents. We saturate them with a couple of coats, and it really stands up long-term. You'll see probably on this deck there's actually some wood that's going to have to be replaced on this one, but you'll see the brightener as it's going down. So remember, this has been cleaned, but this has been brightened. And so you can kind of see that these areas through here, you could even see where it's splotchy. Graham, he's applying the brightener right now, and you can see the splotchy areas where it's hit a little bit. But this was all very different, and now it's starting to brighten up. So come either probably late tomorrow or whatever the next opportunity is, you know, when we get the percentages right for moisture levels, we'll be back and staining this thing, and then we'll post obviously a picture or a little short video of the finished product with this. So just wanted to show you a little bit about what we do. We have an actual process with a purpose. Chemistry is actually involved to actually get the wood in the right place, which, you know, some people are aware of is important and some aren't. But this is what we do when it comes to staining wood.